How to convert an improper fraction into mixed number. An improper fraction can be converted into a mixed number by dividing the numerator by its denominator. The quotient of division represents the whole part of the mixed number. The remainder of the division represents the numerator of the mixed number, while the denominator does not change, as it represents the way of division and does not have to do with the amount we take into consideration. Symbolically, we have the following shown on screen. For example, the equation shown on screen is correct because 32 divided by 5 is equal to 6, with a remainder of 2. Example: write the fractions on screen as mixed numbers. Solution: we have 41 divided by 7 is equal to 5, with a remainder of 6. Hence, we obtain the following as shown on screen. We have 18 divided by 11 is equal to 1, with a remainder of 7. Hence, we obtain the following as shown on screen. We have 55 divided by 16 is equal to 3, with a remainder of 7. Hence, we obtain the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 3.2.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.2.5, how to avoid the confusion between improper fractions and integers expressed as fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.